Forno Appliances introduces you to the refrigerator model 1722-32RS. Designed with a sleek, modern style that will fully integrate into the surrounding cabinetry. The stainless steel door is resistant to fingerprints and stains, ensuring a pristine and modern look. Thick pro-style door handles blend into many kitchen designs. An impressive large storage capacity that is easily customizable for refrigeration or freezer operation. Effortlessly transition between refrigerator and freezer modes with the touch of a button. Featuring a modern stainless steel back panel. The multi-air flow capabilities ensures your food stays fresh every time while maintaining precise temperatures. There are 2 standard see-through door bins and 2 half-gallon bins. 3 crisper drawers bins for vegetables and fruits. Each bin is also removable. 3 glass shelves that are all adjustable in height. The display control unit offer a number of functions. Illuminated with a bright LED light. The fridge capacity is of 13.6 cubic feet, with plenty of ample storage space to fit your everyday food storage needs. The trim kit design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor by providing a built-in appearance that enhances the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. We stand behind each appliance we design and manufacture with an industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty. Forno, a new era of cooking appliance.